Why is there 3 already here? Oh well. I got away from me, secret agent. Okay, come and get checked in. One of y'all can come over here. Hello.
Hello. I'd like to get checked in as a patient today.
Okay. Everything looks good.
Am I in the clear, ma'am?
They, them.
You're a human being.
Here's your name tag.
Pretty
and
on me.
you'll be in room, 3.
Let's go. I love that room.
Hello. What are you in here for?
I got
Patient
a
or
nail
visitor?
stuck in my arm.
Oh. Okay. Here's your badge. You'll be in room 8. Hello. What are you in here for? Visitor or patient?
I am a visitor for the patient in room 8.
Okay. Here you go.
Hello, Doc.
Why are you like that? Okay, whatever.
I don't like the pillow. My legs like.
I'm gonna just shut up. You're. This is gonna sting a little bit.
Ow!
Beep, beep, beep.
Give it to me straight,
beep.
Doc. Lupus.
Never lupus.
Never lupus.
No, it's stomach ache, bleeding, and headache.
Oh Lord. Worse.
Oh, I hate it when.
Am I gonna make it, Doc?
Gimme. And stomach ache. Hang on. You know what? I'm just gonna drop them.
Oh, I feel better now.
You are good to go once you're all healed up.
At least it wasn't lupus.
Your head down.
There's a wall behind me.
Oh.
Why do you look like you're about to give birth?
Yeah. Oh look, there's a baby.
Don't goo goo gaga. Do not. No, what are you in here for again?
I got a nail stuck in my ass.
You're gonna have to
Oh,
face down, ass up.
He's dumbass.
That's how the other
I'm
patient
ready.
was. And with their ass on a pillow.
You know what?
Why,
You know
why
what?
is nobody here for this shit?
Oh no. You know what?
Okay, you're in surgery. You do not. You're conked out. Gonna have to cut open the butt. Remove the nail. Put antibiotics because it was kind of rusty, and drop that. This. Oh. I killed him. Next. Next. What the fuck? Hi.
I am here as a patient. So, yeah.
Here you go. You'll be in room 5.
Thank you.
Next. Next.
Yo, I'm back again.
Okay. I hate you.
You know, back in my day, this hospital used to run a little faster.
Here's your thing. You'll be in room 7.
Looking a little extra stylish today.
Okay, whatever. This is. Shut up about it! My hand got stuck. This is gonna pinch. Boop, 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 boop. I don't know how I'm gonna tell you this.
I go pregnant.
Yes. Oh god. Ah! Here you go.
Thank you. Nom nom nom.
Where did it go? It's under the bed. The bed monster got it. I can't reach it. There we go. You're good to go. I wish Secret Agent was here to see this chaos. I'm losing it. Why do you face down, ass up again?
Sorry, man. My feet like the
Once again, I'm not a female. But okay.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. My favorite human.
I'm not a human.
So sorry. I love my food.
You have a rash. You came in for a rash. Okay.
I'm sorry, bro. I just it was big
It's
and
on your
red and
butt.
had bumps.
It's on your butt. Turn around.
Okay. Down, ass up.
Okay, you're good to go.
Ass. Stop.
Next.
Sure. Alright.
Anyways,
Stop.
next.
That's you. I left.
Hey, it's the rash and the ass guy again. Never guessed the problem
Let me
this
check
time.
and see if you're an anomaly.
You'll never. So my head hurts. You got medicine for that? Yo, bro, it's the rash on the ass guy. It's me.